Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a super useful feature of YouTube TV, how to cue songs. Have you ever been listening to music on YouTube TV and wished you could easily line up the next few tracks? Well, you can. And it's easier than you might think. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to create a music cue on YouTube TV, whether you're using a computer, your phone, or your smart TV. We'll cover everything from finding the cue option to adding, removing, and rearranging songs. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Rome Tips for more helpful tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. Okay, let's get started. Scene 1, YouTube TV on a computer. Alright, first, let's look at how to cue songs on YouTube TV using your computer. Open YouTube TV in your web browser and start playing a song. Now, look for the three dots, the More menu, either next to the song title or in the player controls, usually in the bottom right corner of the video. Click on those three dots. In the menu that appears, you should see an option that says, Add to Cue or Cue Next. Click on that. That song will now be added to your cue. You can repeat this process for any other songs you want to add. To view your cue, look for the cue button. It's usually located in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking it will open up your current playlist, where you can see all the songs you've added. From here, you can rearrange the order of the songs by dragging and dropping them, or remove a song by clicking the X next to it. Scene 2, YouTube TV on a phone/tablet, Android or iOS. Okay, let's move on to using YouTube TV on your phone or tablet. The process is pretty similar. Open the YouTube TV app on your device and start playing a song. Tap the video to bring up the player controls. Look for those familiar three dots, the More menu. Tap on them. Again, you should see Add to Cue or Cue Next. Tap that. Continue adding songs as you like. To view your cue, tap the Up Next or Cue icon, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. It might look like a list icon with a play button. Similar to the computer interface, you can reorder songs by dragging them and remove them by tapping the X or a similar delete icon.
Scène 3, YouTube TV on a Smart TV.
Finally, let's look at queuing songs on your smart TV. This might vary slightly depending on your TV's interface, but the general principle is the same. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV and start playing a song. Use your remote to navigate to the three dots, the More menu. It's usually accessible by pressing the OK or Enter button on your remote while the video is playing. Select Add to Cue or Cue Next using your remote. Keep adding songs until you have your desired playlist. To view your cue, look for the Cue or Up Next option in the player controls. You might need to navigate around the screen using your remote to find it. Once you're in the cue view, you should be able to rearrange and remove songs using your remote's controls. Look for prompts on the screen that tell you which buttons to press.
Outro, ***.
And there you have it. That's how you cue songs on YouTube TV across different devices. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process, allowing you to easily create custom playlists while you're enjoying your favorite music. Remember that this feature can sometimes have slight variations depending on updates to the YouTube TV app, so keep an eye out for those. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Rome tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other YouTube TV tips you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.